Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to roast a turkey. Here we have the turkey. This is just over 4 kilos or about 9.5 pounds. It's going to take just under about 3 hours to cook. You're allowing about 30 minutes per kilo, about 30 minutes per 2 pounds to cook in the oven at 180 degrees, about 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's get it ready to pop in the oven. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a nice high-sided tray. And we're going to create a trivet in here for the turkey to sit on and roast in. So to create the trivet, we're going to take a couple of carrots, just washed and cut up coarsely. Put in there. We're going to take a whole onion, just cut off that bit, and we're just going to dice it up into large chunks and put that in. This is all going to reduce down and it's going to make some fantastic gravy. We're going to take some rosemary, just rub it together, throw that in, a little bit of thyme, again rub it together, release the oils, throw that in. We're going to take the giblets out of the turkey. Now that's something to check, is that there's no bags of giblets in there. We've got the neck, parson's nose, the liver and the heart. Put that all in there. And then we're going to just add a little bit of water, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Move that all around. And then we're just going to take the turkey, sit it on top like that. We're going to take clementine, just cut it in half, put it in the cavity here. So that will give some nice flavors in there. It also allows the heat to get in there and make sure everything's cooked. I don't stuff my turkeys, but if you're going to stuff, you'd put them in here at the back, fill this space up here with some stuffing. And then after that, we're going to take some butter and we're just going to rub it in all over the skin. So get your butter out about an hour right from the fridge. So take your butter out, leave it out for about an hour so it's all nice and soft, and then you can just rub it in, get it in down between the wings, the legs. And just massage it all into the skin. All that's going to roast down, reduce down, and create some delicious gravy. I'll just wash my hands. We're going to take some of the thyme again, and a little bit of rosemary. Bend it, break it up, rub it together, shove that in there loosely. So we're shoving that into the cavity, so that's in there with the clementine. Fresh herbs. Then we're going to, a little bit of sea salt on top, a little bit of black pepper, and then we're going to take some tin foil. Cover it over. You're trapping all that moisture in there so it doesn't dry out, sort of steams it. And we're going to pop that in the oven, set 180 degrees, 360 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 45 minutes to an hour, we'll take it out, check it, baste it, but I'll show you that in the video. Turkey's been in the oven now for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm just going to take it off. Make sure there's still plenty of moisture in the bottom, and we're just going to baste it. So getting all that lovely melted butter and fat all over. And we're going to cover it over, put it back in the oven, and just repeat that every 30 minutes. So back into the oven it goes. There we go, it's been in the oven now. The last half an hour I've had it in there without the tin foil on it to let it go nice and brown. Still needs about another half an hour cooking. So what I'm going to do now, add an extra flavor. This is an optional extra, is get some streaky smoked bacon, smeared over the top, And as it cooks, the fat in there will render out and will seep into the turkey, adding to the flavor. As well as that, it'll help keep it moist. So we're going to pop that back in the oven now. Half an hour, 45 minutes. We're just going to put some of that wondrous liquid all over it. Maybe just a bit more bacon. There we go. Now we're going to pop this back into the oven. Time to get the turkey out of the oven. Let's see how it looks. Oh yes, this looks amazing. There it is. One roasted turkey. I'll let the picture do the talking. Smells absolutely amazing. What we're going to do now is I've got a tray that I've just been warming. And this comes the turkey part now. We have to try and get the turkey off. So and we're going to lift it in such a way. Now we're going to drain all those juices into the pan. And we're going to put that over here. Put the foil back over it. Before we do that, I'm just going to take off a bit of the bacon, just put that in there, just to add to the flavour for the gravy. Now I'm going to lift that over to one side. Now we're going to take some tea towels, put it over there, and leave that to rest. Now we can get on with making the gravy. To check that your turkey is perfectly cooked, you want to get a fork or skewer and just pierce the fattest parts of it. And you can see here the juices are running clear out of it. So that is cooked, ready to go. So there we go, guys. That's how you do a roast turkey. Hope you enjoyed that. Leave any questions or comments down below. I'll pop another video here and here. The old subscribe button in the middle. If you give me the thumbs up, it'd be great as well. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.